Ever cracked your knuckles and wondered what's making that sound? Inside your joints is a fluid called synovial fluid, and it contains dissolved gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. When you quickly stretch or pull a joint, the pressure changes and tiny gas bubbles form and collapse, creating that familiar popping sound. Despite the myths, research suggests that for most people, cracking your knuckles isn't harmful and doesn't cause arthritis. So that popping sound isn't your bones breaking. It's simply gas bubbles inside your joint. Follow for more medical facts in 60 seconds.